Introduction to nervous system. Introduction. With the mass of only 2 kg, about 3% of the total body weight, the nervous system is one of the smallest and yet the most complex of the 11 body systems. This intricate network of billions of neurons and even more neuroglia is organized into two main subdivisions: the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of all nervous tissue outside the central nervous system. Components of peripheral nervous system include nerves, ganglia, enteric plexus, and sensory receptors. Nerves. A nerve is a bundle of hundreds to thousands of axons plus associated connective tissue and blood vessels that lie outside the brain and spinal cord. 12 pairs of cranial nerves emerges from the brain and 31 pairs of spinal nerves emerges from the spinal cord. Ganglia. These are small masses of nervous tissue consisting primarily of neuron cell bodies that are located outside of the brain and spinal cord. Ganglia are closely associated with cranial and spinal nerves. Enteric plexus. These are extensive networks of neurons located in the walls of organs of the GI tract. The neurons of these plexes help regulate the digestive system. Sensory receptors. The term sensory receptors refer to a structure of the nervous system that monitors changes in the external or internal environment. Examples of the sensory receptors include touch receptors in the skin, photoreceptors in the eye, and olfactory receptors in the nose. The peripheral nervous system is divided into somatic nervous system, autonomic nervous system, and enteric nervous system. Somatic nervous system is one which controls voluntary movement of the skeletal muscles. Autonomic nervous system controls involuntary processes such as heartbeat, peristalsis, and glandular activity. The autonomic nervous system has two divisions: sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. The two divisions have opposing action. The sympathetic division helps support exercise or emergency actions, fight or flight responses, and the parasympathetic division takes care of rest and digest activities. Enteric nervous system. It is also known as the brain of the gut and is involuntary. The ENS consists of over 100 million neurons in enteric plexus that extend most of the length of the gastrointestinal tract. Sensory neurons of the ENS monitor chemical changes within the GI tract as well as the stretching of its walls. Enteric motor neurons govern contraction of the GI tract smooth muscles to propel food through the GI tract. Secretions of the GI tract organs and activities of GI tract endocrine cells which secretes hormones. Functions of the nervous system. Sensory functions. Sensory receptors detect internal stimuli such as an increase in blood pressure or external stimuli, for example, a raindrop landing on your arm. This sensory information is then carried into the brain and spinal cord through cranial and spinal nerves. Integrative function. The nervous system processes sensory information by analyzing it and making decisions for appropriate responses, an activity known as integration. Motor function. Once sensory information is integrated, the nervous system may elicit an appropriate motor response by activating effectors through cranial and spinal nerves. Stimulation of the effectors causes muscles to contract and glands to secrete. Examples of the function of the nervous system. The sound of the ringing cell phone stimulates sensory receptors in your ears. This is sensory function. This auditory information is subsequently relayed into your brain, where it is processed and the decision to answer the phone is made. This is integrative function. The brain then stimulates the contraction of specific muscles that will allow you to grab the phone and press the appropriate button to answer it. This is motor function. Thank you.